Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 7th of May. And first of all, national news. India and UK successfully concluded FTA, PM Modi. India to explore both space and deep sea in 2026, Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh. India Slovenia undertook comprehensive review of various aspects of bilateral cooperation. AD attach assets worth 296 crore rupees in bank fraud case. PM Modi chaired meeting of committee to appoint CBI director. Home Secretary chaired meet with states ahead of nationwide civil defense mock drill. New Delhi lodged protest with Canada over effigies of Indian leaders. And now some international news. Sea Trade Maritime Logistics Middle East Conference begin in Dubai. Trump administration cut off new federal grants to Harvard University. New Zealand lawmaker proposed social media ban for under 16. Australian government to make case that US tariffs on foreign films unjustified. UN Secretary General strongly condemned Pahalgam terror attack. 19 Ukrainian drones down near Moscow in second night of attacks, Russia. Now some sports news. Archery World Cup 2025. Jyoti Surekha, Venam eyes in gold, Deepika Kumari in free. Khelo India Youth Games, Meghalaya dominated football, Odisha defeated West Bengal. Taipei Open 2025 badminton, Kidambi Shrikant, Anmol Karb, Unnati Huda to compete. Business related news. IMF's April outlook projects India to become fourth largest in 2025. India's services sector growth improved slightly in April on new order inflows. Corporate Affairs Ministry ordered probe against Gensol Engineering, BlueSmart. And India Italy explore ways to strengthen economic ties at ADB meet. And that's all in news. Thank you.